We empower fleets through training and optimize tire lifecycle management. Our clients achieve significant cost reductions and improved operational efficiency.
This is where PrimeFleet Solutions comes in. We bridge the gap between global engineering standards and the everyday realities of fleet across Africa, delivering solutions that are practical and results-driven. With over 17 years of hands-on industry experience, our approach is grounded in engineering precision, data analysis, and proven methodologies. From Tyre performance diagnostics, we focus on what truly drives measurable results.
We work closely with your teams, equipping drivers with the knowledge and tools they need to perform at their best. Through targeted training, intelligent data insights, and structured fleet strategies, we transform everyday operations into efficient, high-performing systems.
The result is clear. Reduced cost per kilometer, extended tire lifespan, improved safety standards, and more reliable fleet performance. Our clients don't just see improvements, they experience sustainable operational transformation.
Because in today's competitive environment, efficiency is no longer optional, it's essential. And the right engineering partner can make all the difference. Optimize your fleet, maximize your performance, partner with PrimeFleet Solutions, and take control of your operational future.
Optimize your fleet, maximize your performance.